Yeah, I wanted to do this little video. It's a short video. It's for this. This is a SMALLRIG, uh 5568. Really, it's a tiny little selfie stick tripod, but it has a cool little feature that I was just like, okay, that's something I kind of want. Now, for me, I ride a motorcycle a lot, and one of the things that I always have attached to my motorcycle is, of course, camera gear. So I usually have, an X5 or an Ace Pro 2 or something like that attached to it, and they're on selfie sticks. And those selfie sticks are pretty permanently attached. I say permanently, I mean, I'm not moving them much while I'm riding. I maybe to move them a little bit this way on their little, like their ball mount or something like that, but that's about it. So one of the things I've always wanted, or wanted to try to get, was something that I could mount, let's say, an X5 on. I could easily access it while I was riding and take it and then get like a shot out here or shot down by the wheel or change it over here or whatever, 5-10 seconds here and there, just to get a variety of shots without actually having to, stop the bike and remount everything. So when I saw this, I was like, that this may do it. So again, this is that SMALLRIG, and they're, just so you know, they're here to free your dreams, just in case your dreams weren't free. I did open it because I wanted just to see it, but I haven't used it. This was a first look again, and you know what, you'll be able to figure out, I think, if you know your bike, if you know it's etc., what you're kind of going for. So let's say you're someone that rides with a backpack on, or you have a jacket that has somewhere that has like a little hook strap or something on it, or maybe you have something that has like already has like a carabiner on it. Or for me, my thought is that I'm going to try to mount this, or be able to mount this maybe to my mirror stems, or I could mount this to some of the thicker cables, something that I think it will be able to just take the weight and give me quick access to, because this is it here. So again, think of your standard, little tabletop tripod. Well, this is it here, tabletop tripod. Monique looked at it. She's like, it looks like a little golf bag. Yeah, I guess so. That's fair, right? So if you took this part out, this, if you look at it, it's pretty traditional, right? Just as your standard. You can take this, of course, and you just open this up, and there's your tabletop tripod. Yes, right there. It is what it is. Yes. And it does come, of course, with your different kind of like GoPro mounts. So it has that triple clamp style right there, which you all should be able to see if I open this up here. All it has is the little pin. Wonderful, right? I do have an X5 or X4 or X something here. Yeah, X5 here. If I had this with a little clamp, which is actually what I'm shooting with the Ace Pro, you could get this on here and just mount this in. You just need to make sure that you get that little adapter. But here's the big thing, right? When this is folded up, of course, number one, just like any of the other ones, this has that ability to, it's not long by any means, right? It's that long, so but it's long enough if I'm holding this, right? That gives me a little bit of extra protection, which I like. I like the fact that it's, you get gloves on, you're like, whoa, it's not going to fall out of your hands, which is super nice. It gives me enough to get that out there or down by the front tire or overhead or whatever it is, right? It's enough. It's more than enough. But here's the big thing. You guys see this? Ready? It's got like its own built-in carabiner. Yes. So what happens is, depending on what you have, if you had a strap here, you could just be like, click, right? I wouldn't do that necessarily, just because it's not actually on a strap. But if you had a strap, you'd be good, yeah? And then just click to take it off. Or for me, like I said, if you have thicker cables, or I do have like my mirrors, so I could have my mirrors and just be like, you know what? I'm just gonna click, mirrors go in there, easy to use. When I want it out, I just pop that, slide it out. This, I think, for me, I think it's going to allow me to get way more angles while I'm actually riding without having to stop and try to figure out where I want to, mount the camera. Because when you're riding and you're doing, let's say, a motor vlog or anything like that, you don't need 15 minutes of your front tire. You don't, right? You shoot for a minute and you have enough footage that you can go back and forth to it. Nobody knows when it was shot. It's just front tire footage. Same thing with the rear, same thing with your foot, same thing with just different angles. Being able to, when you're riding, be like, oh, that's cool. I want a good cool shot of me while I'm riding. Just get that out there a little further. Yeehaw, right? Friend of mine's passing by on his bike. I can just be like, yeah, woohoo, right? Off you go. I like this. These aren't expensive. I think they're 20 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. And again, it folds down, clips on, SMALLRIG. It's a good brand, right? Win. I think that'll be a win. And I think you're going to see me, well, you are going to see me using that a lot this season. In about 2 weeks, less when this video comes out, I'll be on a trip and I'm bringing that. 100%. I'm bringing that. All right, guys, that's the SMALLRIG. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. The 5568. Anyway, no, well, maybe. VT07 Action Cam Tripod in a carabiner shape. Yeah. Free your dreams. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.